Hello, in this section, we are going to present to you our visualized operational solutions. So this solution is aimed to help the airport to better improve their operational efficiencies and also to ensure their safeties. So let's take a look on the sandbox that we just made and to give you a comprehensive introduction about these solutions. So in these solutions, we provide several types of the new services that can help airports. For the first one is visualize the ground handling. So in this sandbox, you can just simply click on the visualize the ground handling, and we can start to explain to the customers that what is Huawei is doing in these solutions. So in these solutions that we provide LTE network. So right now for the airport, they are using Wi-Fi and the public network to communicate between the AOC, airport operational centers, and the ground handlers. But the problems about Wi-Fi, first, is the coverage of Wi-Fi is not big enough, and also the frequency of the Wi-Fi is easy to be interrupted. And the second about the public network is one services has to be dedicated with one public network. So this is the reason why when you go to the airport, you can see ground staff is carrying 5 or 6 terminals at the same time. So the advantage about LTE network, so we can deploy a LTE network in the airport, and then so the advantage about LTE network is the coverage of the LTE network is around 3 kilometers, which can almost cover the whole flight areas of the airport. And the second is the LTE network is the dedicated network, and it can transmit data, voice, and videos with this network. So it's simply ground handlers can only equipped with one terminals, and that's enough for them. And the third one is a LTE network provides the visibility for the AOC, for the Airport Operational Control Center. So we can have a look on this demo. So this demo is the software that provided by our partners, and so this software is used for the AOC. So in the AOC, that if the staff can just simply click on the aircraft, and then it can tell you the current status of the aircraft, of the vehicles, and the ground staff. So the people inside of the AOC can just simply send a task through our LTE network to the smart terminals, and then the ground staff can receive this task, and then they can go to finish it. So this is the first solution, which is called visualize the ground handling. And the second solution that I'm going to present to you is the electronic tower. So as we know that safety is always the priority in this industry, and from the single foreign object on the runway to a terrorist attack, it can all easily trigger to a serious damage at the end. So in this solution, that the airport can deploy a set of 4K cameras, which is around 3 to 5 4K cameras, in front of on the terminals and in front of the runways. And our partners who provide a stitching software can stitch the images from each camera. So as you can see on the top, we can provide a panoramic view of 5 kilometers of the runway and the aprons. And with our 4K cameras, and it provides better quality of the images. And also it can do intelligence analysis with our Huawei's video cloud. If you want to see the current status of the aircraft, you can just simply click on the aircraft on the videos, and it can tell you the flight numbers, which airlines, what the status right now. So with this electronic tower solutions, that it reduces 60% less construction cost for the airport, and it provides better safeties for the airport. So as I can see that probably in the future you won't see a real tower anymore in the airport. And the third one, solutions that we can see here is called smart navigation lighting systems. So for the airport, they are managing more than 10,000 navigation lights at the same time, but it's not an easy job. So here, these solutions, which is powered by Huawei's IoT technologies, which we can just simply deploy an IoT chipset under the light bulbs, and then the data is going about the light bulbs is going to collect and transmit through our LTE IoT network, and it's going to transmit to our IoT platform. The advantage about these solutions, which is the time spent on inspecting and maintenance more than 10,000 light bulbs, is reduced from 5 hours per day to 0. And the aircraft taxiing time is reduced by 50%. And this is the IoT technologies used outside of the terminals, and also we can use this IoT technology inside of the terminals also. For example, we can deploy this IoT chipset on the sensors, and then we can deploy the different types of the sensors inside of the terminals, and this sensor probably they can collect the data such as temperatures and the humidities, and when the airport get this data, and then they can better manage their aircon systems, and in order to reduce the cost on the electricity consumptions. And this is the IoT technologies which we used for the airport.